So what I have now is iPhone 7. It came for SIM reader. This is the one I showed in a previous video. Today is still 7th of February. It's 9:15. I got quite a few repairs to do, so I think I'm going to make a video of it. iPhone 7 came for SIM reader, but is damaged. I have a replacement part. The device is coming on, so I'm gonna change the SIM reader. I'm gonna see what we can do with that. For that, I'm gonna use a Kapton tape around the FPC connectors of the charging flags. I'm gonna use a heat to remove this FPC connector. I gotta be careful because at the back of it we have a NAND chip. Right, so I have done a little bit of measurement of it before. There was another video of I was making iPad mini one touch FPC connector that was fixed, and the touch was still not working, so I had to check that. I'm going to check that after this video. I'm going to make a video of that too. So I might use a penny here on the CPU, or it won't make a much difference. So let's to reduce the heat is too much. Going on 350. Quite a busy day today. We had a 2 of error 4013, which we repaired the non-IC. That was fixed. I'm getting many of the error phones now, so on the other phone everybody knows that it's not that so simple to repair. I'm going to use a little bit of flux to see if I can lift these things up a bit quicker. Okay. Yes, they are soft. So they came up. Apart from one of the stubborn one. I'm sure that must be a ground one. So another one came up. all of them up apart from one, and I'm definitely sure this is the ground one. We go, we're up, and from here too, and we're done. So we have removed the sim reader. Now it's time to put the new one on. Before we put the new one on, I'm gonna clean it. So far so good. Okay. Just gonna use a flux to make these joints ready for the new sim reader. Okay, so we are okay, I think. Before that, I'm gonna check one thing. My multimeter is the reading of these pins. Diode mode. One, two, three, four, five, six. That ground. Right, okay, so this is it. This is the new sim reader. Okay, we got a mission here. Mission is to put the sim reader. Oopsie. That's not quite simple, is it? Okay, I'm gonna take it off from this. Let's see what we got here. So I need to solder one of the pin here, and that's kinda hiding. And that's other side is we have your non-chip. Wow, that's gonna be a mission. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna solder it a bit of them pins. Another way is to throw the wire, but that's gonna be a bit complicated one, so I just do that normal way. Might use a little bit of heat to put this thing on. Okay, good to go. Right, let's do that. Okay, the first priority is to solder the one which is there. So that I'm gonna use a bit of the solder here as well. So when I'm gonna give it a bit of heat, it's gonna hold it. Not bothered about the ground, means when I can get it from anywhere. Alright, we're good to go. I'm gonna put the pennies under the NAND. And pens on top as well here. Actually, just use the 2 pens at the bottom, the penny on top. We are working on iPhone 7 SIM reader. Okay, let's do that. Didn't work. Got to work. Looks good. Okay, let's use a bit of the solder to melt. Quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins are on. Okay, let's check it. Looks good. Haven't done any damage here. No, we're good. Have we put that pin on? Yes, we have. That is done. Tested. Connected here. Here. Gonna check the simulator now. Might do a bit of a soldering. Now I'm gonna check those two pins here with the meter, just to make sure that we have done the connection between these two. Okay, so this will be ground, and now we should have 4 or 5. That's perfect. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, change it. Let's do the diode mode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are done here. Good job. Okay, let's clean it. Now let's check it. What we did here. The battery is not really good on this phone. Battery looks dodgy. But we are not gonna be checking the battery. We're gonna check the simulator. I got some other jobs too after that, so I'm gonna be quick here. Hope we got any other extra job to do on this phone. Connector on, camera on, flex on, PC on. These two I will leave it for later. on, dude. I'm rushing to finish this job actually. That's why it's not happening. Because I got some of the signal phones, got U1 V1 jumpers, then I have 6 plus touch on board. Now let's use the SIM. There's power on this. It's coming on. I burnt a bit of the card. Okay, I'm gonna connect this to the charger too, so I don't know if the battery is charged or not. Okay, ooh, oh shite, it was just a 1% charged. On is off. And it's gonna show the Apple logo. It's charging. Oh yeah, actually there's a problem with the battery too on this device, as I said. It's also got a problem with the battery. I'm looking for that iPad mini I was checking before. Right, so yep, we got 40% battery charge. I have a doubt on this battery. We got a SIM reader fixed. We have code. Do we have code? Wait, 040 is the IMEI. We don't have a code, do we?
Voiceover on. Passcode field. Voiceover off.
No, we don't have a code. So yeah, but you'll have to. You can check it out anyway. So here you go. Is reading the SIM card. And we have fixed the SIM reader on this iPhone 7 successfully. Eject and insert the SIM card one time just to make sure everything is okay. This device actually came without a SIM holder too, so it didn't have a SIM holder too. So the SIM is out. This is no SIM. In searching and signal. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a back to my colleague and they can close it in the morning. I'm gonna just write down the SIM reader fixed, check hole and close. SIM reader fixed, battery faulty, plus what else we have? Code on. LCD broken. Okay, check. Rest. Please. Done. So it actually came with no SIM tray. Already by SIM reader, LCD broken, just housing. So yeah, that's done. Put it on the side. So tomorrow, and I'll finish this video and make another video for iPad mini. Take care. Thank you very much. Do subscribe our channel for more videos and give us your comments, and hopefully see you soon then. Take care. Bye bye.